Hello, welcome to all in my YouTube channel Biotech Help. I hope you have seen my previous video that are about the disease in crucifer and about the rice disease. Here we discuss about the powdery mildew disease of barley. The powdery mildew disease is a common disease that occurs in barley crop and may cause destruction. It is caused by the fungus Bulmeria graminis. This disease is most common in the early sown crop. The symptoms of the disease include the observance of small yellow spots appear on the leaf in the early stage, which is turned to the white fluffy fungus seen on the figure. This disease is most common in the barley, and the white fluffy part shown the development of the fungus. The fungal spores are shown on the leaf or sometime on the stem. Here we discuss about the life cycle of the powdery mildew disease. The fungus is attacked in the early stage of the sown crop, where mycelium develop on the young plants and conidiophore are developed. These conidiophore or ascospores start the early infection, and the wind-borne conidia spread the disease within or between the crops. Reinfection of the leaves by the airborne conidia is occur. This is also known as the secondary infection. Next, the Clistotheria develop on the lower leaf, and the fresh spores can be produced about a week after infection. The infected leaf shown the growth of the fungal spores, which are spread through the air or ascospores and conidia and infect the other crop plants, which may be severe in several times. The development of disease is most favorable in the humidity condition and the temperature between 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. It is suppressed by the rain, resulting in the powdery mildew being more severe during the dried condition. The mildew disease usually appear 5 to 7 days after infection. The fungus can multiply quickly and crop can become heavily diseased within 4 to 5 weeks of the first sign of the disease. The treatment and control of the disease include the several methods such as the collection of the resistant variety or the healthy seed. Sometimes several chemicals such as triazole fungicide are also effective in the treatment of this disease. Some seed treatment or the fungicide effect suppress the formation or development of the powdery mildew for 6 to 8 weeks after the sowing. Crop rotation is not effective in the case of powdery mildew disease because spore can be readily spread by the air and infect the other plant. The secondary infection of the crop is responsible by the air because these spores can easily spread through the air or sometimes may also be spread by the insect or aphids also. I hope you better understand about the powdery mildew disease of the barley. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.